Hey guys, Ginger Coach Ba here, physician liaison and CEO of MedTech Practice Management. This video, I wanted to go over some information for veterans. Veterans and their families, if you know any, please feel free to share this video with them. I work with a ton of veterans and military contractors. As most of you know, I am a veteran, but I am a Gold Star widow as well. My husband was a Green Beret for the United States Army. We have a little boy together, Bashan. We are a Gold Star family. So obviously I have a huge soft spot in my heart for veterans and their families. Never can say that without tearing up. Anyways, live take, you guys. I'm just talking here for this video. It's not scripted, as you can tell. I want to go into some details about veterans. A lot of the times, the things that they have to do for work and their lifestyle causes obviously a lot of stress. And then the way that they're eating throughout these stressful periods of life affect their hormone levels. So most of them are going to be very low on testosterone. This is why I love working with veterans, because I love helping them get the contractors, if you're out of the military, love getting you your paperwork and figuring out everything you need to safely go out with your contracts, providing you 6 months of treatment at a time. Veterans that aren't out, I provide discounts, extremely discounted services and treatment for everybody. One day I would like to work with a nonprofit or have a nonprofit that is geared towards raising money for those that can't afford the treatment, even though it is discounted. But let's talk about testosterone. I know a lot of you guys and women go through these periods of stress in your life. You're not able to eat the way you need to. You're not able to manage the stress because of your job. And this works for public servants, cops, firefighters, all of that as well too. We offer them all discounts. But they're not able to eat under the high stress. That cortisol just starts draining your receptors and your body's ability to manufacture and produce the amount of hormones that you need to live the best quality of life that you can possibly live. With this being said, for men specifically, if their testosterone is low, then a lot of them have anxiety. They have depression. Men don't really like to talk about anxiety and depression, especially if they're going through post-traumatic stress disorder. My personal views on this situation is that there are hormones going untreated. While people have gone to lengths to make sure that they're helping out with the mental and psychological aspect of it, there's really simple part of it that they're not including, and that's increasing their testosterone levels to a normal or optimal range, getting them feeling their best again. I have worked with several veterans, and this hits home with them, and providing them and educating them on the proper treatment, and it is huge for them. It makes so much of a difference in their quality of life. So we have huge discounts for veterans. If you know any, I would like to get way more involved with the veteran community. The Army and all my Army friends have always treated me like family. So please put the word out if you know anyone that needs help. And if you know any nonprofits that would like to work with a company like mine to help get them the care that they need as well, I'd be willing to work with them. So that is all I wanted to say about veterans. Thank you guys for listening. I hope that you have a wonderful day.